Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is Speech on Kashmir Day. Good morning, everyone. Today is Kashmir Day. We remember the people of Kashmir. They want peace and freedom. We support Kashmir with our hearts. My Kashmir get justice and peace. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.